You can feel the silence here in Mahabaleshwar. This is a road less traveled. This is parallel to Lordvik Point. So we are here in wilderness. There is absolutely no movement of cars, neither people on this trail. Here we have a friend who has his family bungalow called Eagle's Nest. So we're going there. From there we will have a bird's eye view of the entire Pratapgarh Valley and Pratapgarh Fort. So just experience this silence. We are actually in wilderness and words can't explain that satisfaction or the immense joy what we all as a family are experiencing in this zone. Isn't it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy. Now we are entering Eagle's Nest in Mahabaleshwar. Here it's complete solitude, and you can see we have left the tarmac and we are going on a dirt track uphill. From here we can see Pratapgarh Fort and the valley near Pratapgarh as well. This is completely cut off from Mahabaleshwar, still very much into Mahabaleshwar, an offbeat location. See the flora around here, different shades of green, and what a nice contrast of mud and green, brown and green together. It's really amazing when you travel with amazing adventures. We have certain offbeat places where you can join us for a self-drive expedition just to explore countless bounties of Mother Nature. We have the valley towards our left. So as we go ahead, there is an electric pole right now. From there you can see the left side. There is a valley for Pratapgarh. Now this is a full turn. Wow. See, this is a very old property. Maybe 100-year-old, okay? More than that. Nobody stays here. Only the caretakers are there for the overall maintenance and security of the premises. But otherwise no one stays here. But whenever we come to Mahabaleshwar, we make it a point to visit this place with my friend Mr. Sunil Bhatia. Today he is busy, so we came alone. And here we are stopping. I'll just show you. See that Pratapgarh just in front of the windscreen. That's Pratapgarh Fort for you. See the mountains from here. They look so cloudy because of thick fog. And this is the Konkan region. Now I'm zooming out. So you'll come to know how far they are from the place where I'm standing right now. This is Pratapgarh, which you see in the screen right now. So it feels so nice actually. असं आपण निसर्गामध्ये आलो आहोत तिकडे आणि सूर्यप्रकाश आहे ना. वाव, वी आर ब्लेस्ड बाय द सन गॉड. थँक्यू गॉड. सकाळपासून एकदम मस्त असा सूर्योदय नव्हता. It was raining actually heavily in Mahabaleshwar. Now we are blessed with the sunlight. So nice. Everywhere it is green, huh? Everywhere it is green, and we are at one of the highest spots in Mahabaleshwar right now. It feels so special. यहाँ पे रात को most probably leopards आते हैं, bisons आते हैं. Wildlife comes in here because this is cut off. This is actually surrounded by dense forest from all four sides. तो यहाँ पे तो वन्य प्राणी आना स्वाभाविक है. तो कैसे लग रहा है आप लोगों को यहाँ पे आके? है ना, कह some out of the world experience. That is the one of the points. I think Elephant's Head.
Yes.
Lordvik Point यहाँ पे और Elephant's Head यहाँ पे. तो this is Elephant's Head. और इस तरफ है Pratapgarh. We can see that Pratapgarh very clearly now.
Yes.
Since it has opened up. Superb जगह है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली कैंपिंग करने के लिए जगह भी बहुत बढ़िया है, बट वी कैन नॉट कैंप इन ओपन बिकॉज ऑफ सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज. but definitely nice place to camp, nice place to stay. In fact,
Very peaceful.
very peaceful and so सकारात्मक ऊर्जा is, कितना सकारात्मक ऊर्जा है यहाँ पे, lot of positivity around. This air which comes here comes through so many trees. It carries so many essence, so much purity, and it just goes in ourselves, and we become a part of this whole ecosystem. Superb hai, amazing hai. What are you doing? Putting your head like an ostrich inside the car, and then what are you doing? Huh? Tell me something about yourself.
Ostrich.
What is this? Yes, tell me something about your friends. So you're missing your friends? Whom do you miss much right now?
Everyone.
Everyone? Okay. So you'd like to extend the stay in Mahabaleshwar or go home and meet your friends and play with them?
Like to extend the stay in Mahabaleshwar.
Oh, sure. But then you won't be missing your friends. Friends are connected online, right?
Because dogs are my friends.
Okay, the dogs over here are also your friends. Dogs and monkeys and people around. So how about you, Neil?
I am in fact enjoying this peace and calmness,
Haha.
and there is no rush or stress here when you are out on a trip or at such a place with so much of greenery around. So it's like you are blessed with Mother Nature, and the happiness from within is felt.
And it can be seen on your face as well. In fact, as we were telling that we don't like to be stationed at one place for a long time, but we like to travel. We like to travel and explore different places. But we like to travel in India. In fact, we are not that much interested in traveling abroad. We have been to many of the countries because we are into karate and we represent the country in karate world championships. So we take teams from here. But when you go outside, okay, you find everything is a bit more disciplined, bit more clean. But nature is at its best only in our country. And the people here are very receptive, very nice people as well. And we have so much of, क्या कहते हैं उसको, इतना uniqueness है हमारे में. The food is unique, the culture is unique, the languages are unique, the topography is unique. So many unique things we have in India. तो इतना सब अपने देश में है तो क्यों अपने देश के बाहर घूमने जाना है? It's good to go sometimes, but we should travel in our country more rather than going to other countries and boosting their economy. Why not travel to our country, to remote locations, to hinterland, to offbeat places, to famous places, and support our own economy. Let's make Bharat a great nation. And tourism should be number one industry in our country. Yes, let's travel.
On a mark, get set, go! How was it?
It was good to run with my son
Exhausting.
and lose to my son. Good.